Let's see how to uninstall Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. And let's say that we want to remove Microsoft Word from our computer. And if you're on Windows, what you can do is first click on the Windows key on your keyboard or on this Windows icon on your screen. Now type uninstall, and this should pop up, add or remove programs. And from here, you can simply search Microsoft Word, or Microsoft Office. And as you can see, I don't have Word on here since I didn't install Microsoft Word as an application. Instead, I downloaded Microsoft Word as a part of my Microsoft 365 package. And so what that means, to uninstall Microsoft Word on my computer, what I can do, or rather what I should do, is uninstall Microsoft 365 or access Microsoft 365 itself and uninstall Microsoft Word from there. However, if you installed Microsoft Word as an app, you should be able to search for Microsoft Word here, and you can simply click on this one. For example, let's go ahead and try to uninstall an app. You should be able to see the uninstall option right there whenever you try to uninstall Microsoft Word as an installed app. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.